Turner. I work for Redback Test Services in Melbourne, Australia. We service APAC and I look after the front end, the design for test. I help people to make sure that their designs are manufacturable and testable, such that the quality at the end of the day is exactly what you want and what your customer demands. I've been working in test engineering for 45 years nearly. So I've always worked for large companies as a test developer, a trainer, and working in test automation. For the last 25 years I've been working inside ResMed as a test engineer, and it's been an amazing journey, and we've produced some fantastically high quality and zero defect products. The first thing we would do is help the design engineers to see the holes in their designs where the standard, normal, expected manufacturing defects that are inherent in the system, we would help them to be able to make their designs such that you can find them during manufacturing and give very fast feedback into the process. Test time is very important when you're doing such high volumes, not so much when you're doing very low volumes. However, you really have to look at the industry that you're servicing and see what kind of risk you're willing to wear in relation to manufacturing defects that you're allowing to propagate through. I have been to many super huge contract manufacturers, and all of them make manufacturing defects. It's inherent in the system. It's a pipe dream to think that there will be no faults. You need, as a designer, to help the manufacturer, and you need to be able to realize that quality comes from a good design and good testing. Too many companies believe that if they make a perfect design, that it will just be a perfect product in the market, and that's not the case. Once again, you really have to manufacture it such that it is testable. You can't just design it, validate it, verify it, and think that it's the manufacturer's problem to make the quality high. It's your problem as well, and we all have to work on that. There's many good reasons to use onshore contract manufacturing. Some of them is that, well, you can go and visit them quite easily. Communication with onboard, on-country contract manufacturers can be very much simpler, and you also don't have to worry too much about IP problems, and that's a significant issue. Many larger companies that are offshoring, they have to work very hard to protect their IP. The big guys are good, but they're a long way away, and they may not be so good at talking with you and communicating. You may not be very important to them. When I see contract manufacturers in Australia, such as Entech, their customers are all very important to them, and I think that you should embrace the local content because it's a good thing.